Good morning. It's a beautiful day in the Netherlands. Fall is coming, so it's getting colder, but today is really nice. So we're going for a short trip to an island just, I think, 2 miles away. I'll give you a quick boat tour and tell you something about how the future of this channel will be. So now first let's go out of the harbor. This is Ketelhaven. That's our hometown harbor. So we're sailing again. Yes, yeah. Had some gust of 18 knots, so I kept the head sail a bit rolled in. It's not as nice as you can see. I have to readjust that. It's a bit more wind than I expected. I should have a reef, but okay, doing fine. So we found a nice place to put our anchor, and I'll show you where we are right now. This is the Netherlands. We're almost exactly in the middle of it. Here you have the IJsselmeer, and here you have the Ketelmeer, and exactly in the middle in the Ketelmeer there's this island. It's made by man, but it's got very nice nature. Was developed actually by accident. This is perfect. This is a depot for dirt. You're not allowed to get on the island, but this makes a very nice anchorage. Well, you can see we're actually on land now by the GPS, but yeah, of course, in the water. I'll show you outside. This is outside. It's a very nice place. Very sheltered. And the nice thing is, at the end of the season, that there are no other ships. Okay, I'll give you a short tour on Monk. Even kijken, Monk is a Victoire 933, that means the size is 9 meters and 33 centimeters. She's made by the Victoire shipyards in the Netherlands. The shipyard doesn't exist anymore, and I bought her in 2019. So about 3 years ago I bought her. Start at the front, the anchor is down. It's all by hand, all manually, so there's no electric winch to put it up. It's got this chain combined with a line, and it holds up pretty well. Since I bought her, I did a lot of adjustments. I had new rigging all over. And last year I had a new head sail, new furler installed. And this year I had a new solar panel and of course the wind vane. This is a new swimming stairs. Because of the wind vane we had to remove the swimming stairs at the back. And I have some safety swimming stairs over here for in case I fall overboard. Here we have the devices. Of course the normal information, depth, speeds, wind speed, well, etc. Close hull information and the steering automat from Marine. It's got a tiller steering, which I like a lot. I think it gives a bit more feeling when you sail. And the nice thing about the Cockpit's design is that the tiller is very long and you can even in bad weather sit here protected under the hood. Another Cockpit's design thing is that all the lines are at the mast. So this is where you put up the sail, and at the mast this is where you make your reefs. You can use this winch for them. And because of that there's always a clean deck and therefore a safe deck. So downstairs we start at the navigation corner. As a solo sailor, you are, especially on longer passages, you spend a lot of time on the deck. So then it's important, I think it's important to have the information about your speed and depth and wind angle here as well. This is the same one as outside. Of course the VHF radio, normal fusion radio for Bluetooth, and here is the M-Track. This one creates a Wi-Fi signal which I get on my iPad, and then I have the information wireless, so this iPad can be everywhere. Here's the galley. It's quite okay enough. The normal things like a fridge. Water is not electric by pump, so that it doesn't use any electricity. Sitting area. This one is easy to be turned over to a sleeping bed while sailing in bad conditions. This one you can take off, you can turn it around, and then it fits exactly into this holes over there, and then you have a very nice comfortable bed and you are very fixated when you sleep, so you can't fall out of it. This is the front, sleeping area, toilets, heating, this is the next morning at sunrise. I promised you some more information about this YouTube channel, and I also recorded this on video, but plans changed, and well, I have to tell you again next week, because well, we're going to do things a little bit different than we thought we would do. Next week we're going to have a look at some new boats that might be exciting to see, and well, like and subscribe, and I like your questions and comments. See you next week. Thanks.